Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something crucial for all MWH employees, safeguarding attorney-client privilege in emails. First things first, attorney-client privilege is a legal concept that protects communications between a client and their attorney, ensuring confidentiality. For companies, this means that any communication with in-house legal counsel can be shielded from being disclosed in legal proceedings. But there's a catch. This privilege can be easily lost if not handled with care. So how can you maintain this privilege when sending emails? Let's break it down. When you're drafting an email that involves legal advice or consultation, make sure to include your in-house legal counsel in the communication. This step is fundamental in keeping the conversation protected. Next, pay attention to the subject line. Always include a clear and explicit label such as privileged and confidential, attorney-client communication. This immediately signals to anyone reading the email that the content is sensitive and protected. Now let's move to the body of your email. Begin with a disclaimer like, "This communication is intended to seek or provide legal advice and is protected by attorney-client privilege. Do not forward without express permission." This sets the tone for the message and reminds recipients of its confidential nature. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you're discussing a potential legal issue with your in-house counsel. Your email might look like this. Subject: privileged and confidential, attorney-client communication. Body: Hi. Legal counsel's name: I'm reaching out concerning specific legal issue. This communication is intended to seek or provide legal advice and is protected by attorney-client privilege. Do not forward without express permission. Followed by your detailed query or information. Simple, right? But mistakes can happen. For example, if you forget to include the privilege label in the subject line or the disclaimer in the body, the email could be treated as regular correspondence and lose its protected status. Or worse, if someone forwards the email without permission, the privilege might be waived, exposing sensitive information. Another common mistake is sending privileged information to someone outside the attorney-client relationship. This can also break the privilege and make the content discoverable in legal proceedings. Always double-check your recipients before hitting send. In summary, protecting attorney-client privilege in emails requires diligence and attention to detail. Include your legal counsel, use explicit labels in the subject line, and always add a clear disclaimer in the body of the email. With these steps, you can safeguard your sensitive communications and maintain confidentiality. Remember, a small oversight can lead to significant consequences. Stay vigilant and protect your privileged information. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more crucial corporate insights.